Yo, what's up guys, it's Sam's TV. I'm back with another video. In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I can actually screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. Okay guys, I'm here, I'm with Catherine again. We're gonna do it. If you guys wanna make sure you guys follow on Instagram, I'll show you right here. Make sure to follow me too and get me to 14k followers on Instagram and 50k subscribers on YouTube guys. Thank you, I'd appreciate it. Alright. We're gonna go into the chat right now. Oh, I didn't mean to come into the chat. I guess we're just talking here a little bit. Didn't even watch that, guys. Yeah, didn't even acknowledge this chat right here. We're in a mood. But yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys how I can actually screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. I'm going through some kind of difficulty here. Oh god. Okay. Alright, so we're doing. I'm going through some technical difficulty. Jeez. I can't lie guys, I'm kind of like high right now, so it's kind of funny. Okay. Alright, scroll down, press double tap, come to another app, and then go back onto the chat. Swipe off so you can screenshot, and as you can see guys, there's no screenshot in the chat and she won't know about it. So it's actually really simple, easy like that. Yeah, so make sure you guys do subscribe. Let's get me to 50k subscribers. I appreciate that guys. Halfway close to the YouTube plaque. And yeah, make sure you follow Catherine as well. So yeah, 14k subscribers on Insta. Alright. This chat was Alright, Catherine sent me something, so let's click on this and actually see what she sent me, guys, and see what it is. Alright, let's click this.
Bro, that literally happened to me, but I was like 14.
Oh, can't lie though, it's kind of cute though, Oh, yeah, we actually had a similar story, guys, about what happened. Something happened to Catherine. She just brings me about her experience. So let's listen to this.
Because I went on holiday. And with me and my cousin, and we went to like this island, and we wanted to like discover it and like explore it. And I felt like Dora the Explorer.
I swear the shark's gonna eat her.
So nice.
I think the shark ate her though.
We wanted to
shark would have had some nice lunch. Shark would be like
yum.
There
were sharks in the water. And my biggest fear is the sea because I always think that some shark.
I got the giggles right now.
So yeah, we had to.
Yeah, she tired, man. She went to sleep. She tired as fuck.
And use our hands to move ourselves, and it was so windy, and like the waves were so big. I thought I was gonna drown, but
yeah, make sure you guys follow on Instagram, guys.
Yeah,
follow this hottie.
But like, I swear to God, I literally like a shark was biting on me or something because I felt something, or maybe just my brain.
Shut the fuck up and get them titties out for a real nigga.
Because I lost brain cells trying to
shark really wanted to eat us,
move myself.
Alright.
In that little surfboard in the middle of the ocean. Like, I didn't even know what I was doing, to be
what? Nah, I never knew that.
honest, like. But yeah,
okay, I guess that's
that happened to me with sharks as well.
That's about the sharks. Alright guys, as you can see, me and Catherine had similar experiences about a shark attack, and it's very wild. I'll explain it in a little bit as to what happened with me. Okay, make sure you guys do like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get me to 14k on Instagram, 50k on YouTube, and let's get Catherine to 500 followers on Instagram. So make sure you guys hit up. And yeah, this is our Instagram right here. This is my Instagram right here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah. Now let's go on to me talking about what happened to my experience with the shark attack, like Catherine. It's gonna be really wild. Alright, basically guys, we're gonna get into a shark attack, what happened to me. Basically guys, I went to Spain, and basically I went out into the ocean with my family. So it's me, my mom, my sister, my younger siblings. We went into the sea. Basically they stayed back because they didn't want to go into the sea. They're little, so of course they didn't want to get into the sea because it's hazardous.
By the Brooklyn Nets.
I think that's how you say the word. But I went in there and I thought I saw a shark. I don't know if it was a great white because I don't think they're in Spain, but I saw some kind of shark and it was coming towards me. And I was like, whoa, what's going on here? I thought this was some kind of like pranking on YouTube, how they put the shark thing that they're gonna like prank. I thought that was it. I was like, okay, it's not a joke, guys. Okay, guys, come on. But then as soon as he kept getting close, I was like, no, this something's not right here. And I was like, okay. And I'm looking at it and it's a shark.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because then I start to taste them. I say,
fuck, it's a shark. So I start paddling quick, running away, trying to swim fast. The shark was getting up to me, trying to bite my leg. I was like, yo, chillax, fam, I need this leg to walk. And I kept walking, I'm running. I mean, paddling, can't run on water unless I was fucking Jesus, which I'm not.
Boy, if you don't get...
But, yeah, running. I mean, swimming. But, yeah, the shark didn't get me, and I got to shore in time, and well, I feel like I was going to bite my foot or something. Okay. Well, hopefully I explained that properly. Sorry, I'm kind of like high right now, so I don't know if I explained how I should, but yeah, we basically, me and her had some shark experiences. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you guys do enjoy. I really appreciate it if you guys are just stick for the video. Make sure, and yeah, peace out. Alright guys, the video ends there, guys, but I just thought I'd add it to the video because as I was doing this video with Catherine, Susanna, I think she can call me homeless. So, I'm out for the streets. Shut up. I'm not on the streets, but I just thought I'd add it to the video. So continue watching if you like. But peace out, and make sure to follow me on Insta and all my socials and subscribe. Let's get to 50k. Let's smash 1k likes.
Yeah, basically I'm writing about you because you're on the streets right now, but I'm only saying good stuff, don't worry. Yeah, people are lonely like you. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna carry on. It's a story about the street life of Samir.
That's a Samir with an E. You don't spell.
are you coming too close to me? Why? Do I know you? Do I fucking know you? Why are you fucking coming fucking close?
With the E though.
Yeah.
This is
Yo, what's up to everyone that's watching right now? Subscribe, turn the post notifications, like and comment, and make sure to follow Awesome's social media linked in the description. Wait, what? Man said the YouTubers. Oh, what's up to everyone that's watching right now? Subscribe, turn the post notifications. Oh my fucking god.